How to sign up as a user or homeowner on Contract to Find. First off, let's head over to contracttofind.co.za. In the navigation bar, scroll down to sign up and sign up as a user. Next, we'll complete a couple of steps. First off, let's set up your profile. We're going to give us your name, surname, email, mobile, and password. Please note that your password needs to contain a minimum of 6 characters using uppercase, lowercase, special, and numeric characters. Once you've confirmed your password, let's go ahead and select Next. Here we're going to add your property information. We'll use this info to allocate and track your requests. You'll also be able to review and manage your properties from your dashboard. You can provide a property name so that you can quickly identify those in your dashboard, as well as select a property type, which region it's based in, and then give us your address. The address uses a Google API, so start typing address and select from the options below. Next, we want to provide information around how many bedrooms, bathrooms, and what the actual property size might be. Let's go ahead and click Next. Step 3. Here we want to add your project details and tell us what you need a quote for. You'll be able to review and manage these requests in your dashboard. You give the option to skip this and just continue to sign up, but let's go ahead for this example and select a service we require from the drop-down. You can give us a status if you're ready to hire, if you are budgeting or planning, and what type of work this is: installation, maintenance, repairs, or if it's a new build. You can provide a budget that you might be working with and let the contractor know if it's an insurance claim or emergency request. Next, you want to provide information around the areas and the dimensions. Give the contractor sufficient information to get you the best quote possible. So you can select the location, area, length, width, and height. This step is optional, but you can also add multiple areas if you have a bigger project that you're working on. If you're happy, just click Next. Here we can upload images. So this will give you a good example to give a contractor installer information around the space that they'll be working in. Simply click drag and drop or select the files to add, and you can do the same thing with files. Again, this step is optional. Step 6 is where we give an overview, description of your project to help the contractor understand your requirements and that he can then quote accordingly. For this instance, we're just going to pop up a little note that we're renovating our kitchen, has some existing wooden bench tops that need some replacing, as well as tiling and some flooring installed. And that's it. We'll want to go ahead and click sign up. You'll get an on-screen notification that we have now sent you an email address that will need you to go and verify that you're a human being, and we can set up your profile. If you don't receive the email right away, click here to resend it. Once you receive the email, you can click the email verification link, type an email address and password you set, and sign in. Now you're into your dashboard. Here you'll see the quote requests you sent out. And down the left-hand side, you'll have a navigation here where we can see any quotes or requests, invoices, projects, and lastly, properties. You can edit, archive, or simply add more properties. And your dashboard will give you an overview of requests, quotes, projects, invoices, as well as your totals across the top. If you wanted to, you can go and quickly add a new quote request and follow the same prompts as we did when you signed up. Alternatively, you can go to the front end of the site and search for a category and a region, pick a company, seal the information, and then go ahead and get a quote. Again, it'll prompt you back to your dashboard where you can follow the next steps and carry on. And that's how easy it is to sign up and send quote requests on contracttofind.co.za.